Are you looking to sell your renovated house? Listen to this quick tip. I was on the phone about 2 or 3 days ago with a homeowner, and he was going on about how his house had been fully renovated. And we're talking further, the bathroom, the kitchen, the house had been painted. And then he said new carpets. And then my little antennas went up and I said, carpet, that's not very common these days. Most people are doing hardwood floors. So I said, when did you renovate the house? 40 years ago. The person was describing a renovation from 40 years ago as though I thought it had been done the last few months to 2 years. So the term I use a lot in these videos is be realistic. That word realistic could apply to many different things. But in this case, be realistic about the condition of your house, about the value of your renovation. Again, your renovation has to be within the last few years. If we're selling a house with a 10-year-old kitchen, there's a good chance that kitchen's going to be ripped out because it's not the style people want today. People want something very specific. And almost every house we deliver, we sell quickly because we put together a house that people like. And that's important. If you have a style of a kitchen that's not desirable, the kitchen may be in beautiful condition, but if it's not desirable, it's going to be hard to sell. If you have a perfect condition lime green bathroom, you're going to have a hard time selling that house. So just be aware when you say renovated, what renovated really means. Is it an old renovation? And is it a renovation with general appeal to the population to whom this house, to the people who'd be looking to buy this house? That's all. Good luck.